Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and how are you doing? I'm good, thank you. So today I'm going to show you a good mask that it's really simple to make it and just apply it on your face and have a good glowing skin. So this mask, I'm just going to grab a bowl or glass. It's not real different. So just using some milk and honey for this mask, and I'm going to add some honey and some milk and mix it together. So right here my honey, you can see, and I'm going to add some milk in these ingredients and just mix it together, and then we have a good homemade mask for our face. It's really helping for removing your tan from the skin, and it's glowing your skin. It will make glowing your skin, and it's also tighten your pores, and it's helping have a shining skin. So I just mixed honey and milk with together, and you can use your fingertips or you can use a cotton ball or a makeup brush. I'm going to use a makeup brush and apply it on my face, and you should wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off with a cool water. So I'm going just to apply it on my face, and here we go. Just applying it on my face. Just use this mask and you can see results. It's really help your skin. Yes. If you repeat to use this mask, you can see the best result on your skin. So I'm going to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to wash off my face. So I hope that you like this video. Bye bye guys.